Hi, this is Dwayne Richens, and this is my PHP Motors Week 2 assignment. I have my large desktop views to start off with here. This is my template view. Um, Everything is pretty close to I think my text might be a little smaller, but I do have the reactive links, and I have the snippets where this footer down here is a snippet, and the header up here with the nav bar is a snippet. So those all load like they're supposed to. The wave tool tests good, and the validation for CSS tests good, and the validation for HTML tests good as well. And that page is reactive, at least to an extent. It just, collapses everything automatically. There wasn't much need for breakpoints or anything on this page. Excuse me. Moving on to the home page. Here in the big view, you can see we added everything in the proper order. The upgrade section is to the left of the reviews section, and this own today image is closer to the top of the car rather than the bottom. Wave tool says everything's good. I did get some contrast errors, but considering these were the colors that were in the assignment, I assumed that was okay, but just kind of went with it there. Closing that, and the CSS should validate well, which it does. Excuse me, because it's the same one. And then going over to the HTML, I do get a couple of warnings, and I heard that warnings were okay. The warning I'm getting is I used articles to make these sections down here. I was looking around the internet for ways to do it without using divs, and it seems like a lot of people use articles or sections. There was a few debates on which one to use. It seemed like articles was the most appropriate. In the past, I haven't always done the most semantically correct HTML, but I tried to stick with it this time since that was a requirement. And then in my experience, it made it a lot easier than just divving everything. Making my CSS and everything was a lot easier than doing it the way I used to do it. So that's the only ones I have there. Other than that, that page is also reactive. I'll do a quick collapse here. We're still within the breakpoint. We can kind of see everything adjust. And when we hit that 800 pixel breakpoint on the horizontal level, the own today picture pops to the bottom of the car, and the review section and the upgrade section stack on top of each other in the proper order. Everything else looks pretty good, and I hope that meets all the requirements. Thanks.